Are you tired of watching your hard work wither away despite your best efforts? Growing food without modern utilities frequently feels like a relentless battle against wild nature, but it doesn't have to be. If you are struggling with dying plants or painfully slow growth, you need to discover the 20 clever off-grid gardening hacks you're missing. 1. The Diaper Drought Defender. Carrying heavy buckets of water every single day is exhausting and frustrating. Most people throw away unused baby diapers, but they hold a secret weapon: sodium polyacrylate. Cut them open and extract this super absorbent gel. Place beneath tomato plants. This takes just seconds to do, but works instantly to create an underground sponge. It soaks up rainwater and releases it slowly, ensuring crops survive for 2 weeks without a drop of water, even in scorching heat. 2. The Wine Bottle Vacuum. Hauling watering cans back and forth is tiring, and most people water their plants completely wrong, leading to shallow roots. Empty wine bottles offer a genius quick win. Fill a bottle with water and quickly invert the neck deep into the soil next to the roots. This creates a brilliant vacuum system that delivers water precisely when the soil dries out. Plants get constant hydration with zero electricity and absolutely no wasted effort. 3. The Paper Towel Lifeline. Leaving a garden alone usually means returning to sad, wilted plants. Do not let that frustration win. A simple paper towel acts as an instant lifeline. Roll it up, submerge one end in a bucket of water, and bury the other end near the plant's roots. Water automatically climbs the paper towel via capillary action. This takes only seconds to set up, but instantly guarantees fragile plants stay perfectly hydrated while left unattended. 4. Coffee Filter Drain Guards. Watching expensive, rich soil wash right out the bottom of container pots is incredibly frustrating. Most people just accept this messy loss, but a basic coffee filter solves it instantly. Place a filter at the bottom of the container before adding dirt. It completely blocks the soil from escaping while allowing excess water to drain freely. Roots stay healthy, and the patio stays totally clean. 5. The Milk Jug Rainmaker. Dumping water from a bucket completely crushes delicate topsoil and washes tiny seeds away. Instead of buying expensive watering cans, upcycle a plastic milk jug. Poke a few holes in the plastic cap. It takes 10 seconds to make, but it instantly creates a gentle, gravity-fed showerhead. This diffuses the heavy water pressure, keeping fragile sprouts completely safe and happy. 6. The Rolling Trash Can Reactor. Drill ventilation holes all over the plastic, toss in kitchen scraps and dry leaves, and roll the sealed can across the yard daily. This forces oxygen inside, feeding heat-loving bacteria. It turns raw garbage into rich, dark fertilizer in a fraction of the usual time. 7. Burying sheep's wool. Yellowing leaves and thirsty crops are a constant headache. Burying raw fleece directly into the soil provides an instant sponge that traps valuable rainwater for the hottest summer days. Even better, as the wool slowly breaks down, it releases a massive, steady supply of nitrogen. 8. The Sawdust Fungal Web. Bury raw sawdust deep underground instead of sprinkling it on top. This rapidly cultivates beneficial fungal networks. These tiny organisms slowly consume the tough wood fibers, creating a perfect, spongy earth texture that naturally feeds fruit bushes and trees for decades. 9. Buried Copper Treasure. A simple piece of scrap copper wire stops this tragedy. Bury raw copper in the dirt near the roots. As the metal naturally oxidizes, it releases microscopic cupric ions. These specific minerals rapidly build rigid, incredibly strong cellular walls, protecting delicate crops from harsh weather with zero ongoing effort. 10. Baking soda for sweeter tomatoes. Growing beautiful tomatoes that end up tasting watery and bland is a huge disappointment. A pinch of baking soda fixes this instantly. Sprinkle a tiny bit of this common powder directly onto the soil around the mature plant. It gently lowers the dirt's acidity, triggering a mild, safe stress response. 11. The Vinegar Weed Assassin. Pulling stubborn weeds by hand under a blazing sun is pure misery. Cheap household white vinegar is the ultimate instant assassin. Spray it directly onto weed leaves on a hot afternoon. The acid rapidly melts the plant's protective wax coating. Within hours, the unwanted weed safely shrivels and dies, leaving crops completely unharmed. Let's take a short break to subscribe to our channel for more hacks like these. 12. The Cinnamon Seed Rescuer. Watching an entire tray of expensive seeds suddenly rot and die overnight is a gardener's worst nightmare. Most people throw them out, but common kitchen cinnamon provides an instant rescue. Dipping freshly cut plant branches into cinnamon even forces fast, vigorous root growth. 13. The stinky soap shield. Waking up to find hungry deer have eaten a garden down to the dirt is infuriating. Expensive fences aren't the only answer. Hang cheap, heavily scented bars of soap in small mesh bags around the crops. It takes mere minutes to set up, but the strong chemical odor instantly tricks wild animals into thinking humans are standing right there. They turn around and run, leaving the vegetables perfectly safe. 14. Plastic fork minefields. Neighborhood cats and raccoons love to dig up soft, freshly planted seed beds, ruining hours of hard work. Keep them out instantly with plastic forks. Push the handles deep into the dirt so the sharp tines point straight up into the air. Animals hate the sharp feeling on their paws and will quickly abandon their digging. 15. Gardens in a can. Struggling with toxic, compacted, or completely lifeless dirt makes growing food feel impossible. Upcycle large aluminum cans by punching drainage holes in the bottom and filling them with rich compost. Planting seeds directly inside these cans instantly isolates crops from the terrible ground below. 16. The plastic jug greenhouse. An unexpected late-season frost can kill months of hard work in a single night. Cut the bottoms off and place the jugs directly over the plants. This immediately creates a powerful mini greenhouse. The plastic traps warm solar energy during the day and blocks freezing air at night, keeping plants perfectly safe. 17. Tilting the earth. Slow, stunted growth due to weak early spring sunlight is highly frustrating. Most people plant on flat ground, totally missing out on free energy. Simply angle the garden soil to create a slight slope facing the sun. This quick adjustment drastically increases the amount of direct sunlight the dirt absorbs. The earth heats up faster, accelerating seed germination and promoting incredibly strong growth. 18. The stone wall heater. Freezing night temperatures stall plant growth and cause endless worry. Plant tender crops directly against brick or stone facades. The dense masonry absorbs intense heat during the sunny day and slowly radiates it back out all night long. Plants stay warm, comfortable, and protected from deadly cold air sinks. 19. Muffin tin seed grids. Guessing how far apart to plant tiny seeds is annoying, and overcrowding leads to stunted competing crops. Ditch the frustration and grab an old baking muffin tin. Press it firmly into soft dirt and lift it. It takes exactly 2 seconds, but instantly stamps a mathematically perfect spacing grid into the earth. 20. The potato cloning trick. Trying to clone heritage plants or fruit trees from small cuttings usually ends in shriveled, dead twigs. Shove the freshly cut branch directly into a potato and bury it. The dense tuber instantly provides consistent moisture, nutrients, and disease protection, prompting the cutting to develop vigorous new roots. Master the wild without breaking your back. Which of these brilliant hacks will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments section down below, and make sure to like this video and subscribe.